The Fennec Fox, Vulpes zerda, also known as the desert fox, is one of nature's most remarkable adaptations to extreme environments. As the smallest member of the canid family, this tiny fox has captivated scientists and animal lovers alike with its oversized ears, playful personality, and extraordinary survival strategies in one of Earth's harshest landscapes. Native to the arid regions of North Africa, the Fennec fox demonstrates how evolution can produce highly specialized solutions to the challenges of desert life. Physically, the Fennec fox is perfectly suited to its environment. Adults measure just 9.5 to 16 inches, 24 to 41 centimeters in head body length, with an additional 7 to 12 inches, 18 to 30 centimeters of bushy tail. They typically weigh between 2 and 3.5 pounds, 0.9 to 1.6 kilograms. Their most striking feature is their enormous ears, which can reach 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 centimeters in length, the largest ear-to-body ratio of any canid. These bat-like ears serve dual purposes. They radiate excess body heat to keep the fox cool during scorching daytime temperatures and act as highly sensitive parabolic antennas, allowing the fox to detect prey moving beneath the sand. Their fur is thick, soft, and sandy-colored, providing excellent camouflage while reflecting sunlight by day and insulating against freezing desert nights. Even their paws are covered in dense fur, which protects them from hot sand and improves traction, much like natural snowshoes. The Fennec fox inhabits the Sahara Desert and other arid zones across North Africa, extending from Morocco and Mauritania to Egypt, the Sinai Peninsula, and parts of the Arabian Peninsula. They prefer sandy deserts and areas with sparse scrub vegetation. These foxes are highly social and live in small family groups, often occupying complex burrow systems that can extend up to 30 feet, 10 meters underground, with multiple entrances and exits. These dens provide crucial shelter from the extreme heat of the day, where surface temperatures can exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius. Fennec foxes are primarily nocturnal, emerging at dusk to forage and remaining active until dawn. One of the most impressive adaptations of the Fennec fox is its ability to survive with very little water. Specialized kidneys efficiently conserve moisture, allowing the fox to obtain most of its hydration from food. They are opportunistic omnivores with a varied diet that includes insects, especially grasshoppers and locusts, small rodents, lizards, birds, eggs, fruits, leaves, and roots. This dietary flexibility is essential in an environment where resources are unpredictable. Their large ears help them locate buried prey, while their keen sense of smell and agility make them effective hunters. Reproduction in Fennec foxes follows a seasonal pattern adapted to desert conditions. They are generally monogamous and mate for life. Breeding typically occurs between January and February, with females giving birth after a gestation period of about 50 days, usually in March or April. Litters range from 2 to 5 kits, born blind and helpless, but fully furred. Both parents participate in raising the young. The mother nurses and protects the pups in the den, while the father hunts and brings food. The kit's eyes open after about 10 to 14 days, and they begin venturing outside the den at around 1 month old. They reach sexual maturity between 9 and 11 months and can live up to 10 years in the wild or up to 14 years in captivity. Behaviorally, Fennec foxes are known for their playful and vocal nature. They communicate through a variety of sounds, including barks, whimpers, growls, and high-pitched howls. Young foxes, in particular, engage in playful wrestling and chasing, which helps develop hunting and social skills. They are territorial and mark their areas with urine and feces. Despite their small size, they are remarkably agile and can jump up to 3 feet, about 1 meter from a standing position. From a conservation perspective, the Fennec fox is currently listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Populations remain relatively stable across much of their range, but they face several threats. Habitat loss due to human expansion, climate change, and capture for the illegal pet trade are the primary concerns. In some regions, they are hunted for their fur or meat. Their appealing appearance and small size have made them popular exotic pets, though they require specialized care and are not well suited to most domestic environments. Responsible zoos and breeding programs play an important role in public education and potential future conservation efforts. The Fennec fox serves as an excellent example of evolutionary adaptation. Every feature, from its oversized ears and fur-covered feet to its efficient kidneys and nocturnal habits, represents a finely tuned response to the desert's challenges. Extreme temperatures, scarce water, and shifting sands. By studying these foxes, scientists gain valuable insights into how mammals can thrive in arid ecosystems. Knowledge that may prove increasingly important as climate change expands desert regions worldwide. In popular culture, the Fennec fox has become a symbol of desert resilience and cuteness. Its image appears in documentaries, wildlife photography, and even animated films, helping raise awareness about desert biodiversity. Yet, beyond its charm lies a serious lesson in ecology. Small species like the fennec play vital roles in their ecosystems by controlling insect and rodent populations and serving as prey for larger predators such as eagle owls and jackals. Understanding the Fennec fox reminds us of the intricate connections in nature. Protecting desert habitats benefits not only these charismatic foxes, but entire ecosystems that support unique and specialized life forms. As climate patterns shift and human pressures increase, the story of the Fennec fox fragility and remarkable toughness of desert wildlife. Through continued research, responsible tourism, and conservation awareness, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at these tiny survivors with their enormous ears bounding across the golden sands of the Sahara.